We are in square numbers lesson. First of all, we should recall what is square numbers. So, the numbers 1, 4, 9, 16, etc. are all square numbers. So, do you remember about a square number? Yes, I will show an example, then you will remember. Here, square numbers. So square number is nothing but when you are expressing the given number as a product of two number as a same number. It should be a same number. That is the most important thing for a square number. So 9. 9. How can you express 3 into 3 is equal to 9? So 9 is a square number. What we have done this 9? 3 into 3. We expressed as a product as a same two numbers. Okay. So if you are multiplying 3 times with same numbers, it will call a cube numbers. That we will see later. But square number is nothing but you are expressing the given number as a product of two same numbers. For example, 25. How can you express the 25? 5 5s are 25. So 5 into 5 can be written as 5 square. 5 square. So what is the meaning of 5 square? Multiplying this 5 2 times. This is called square numbers. So 25 is equal to 5 into 5. So 25 is a square number. Hope you all recalled about a square number. Let's see the example of this unit. Yeah. Now, what is the example? Example 1.22. Okay. The area of a square field is 3136 meters square. So what do you mean by area? The space occupied by the shape is called area. The space is inside. Okay. So the inside complete area is 3136. You want to find its perimeter. What do you mean by perimeter? Sum of boundaries. Sum of boundaries is called a perimeter. Am I correct? Then in square we know the formula. Yes, so the area of square is equal to a square. The area of square is equal to a square and the perimeter of square is equal to 4a. 4a. A is nothing but sides. What do you mean by A? A is sides. So first of all, what is given actually? Given that the area of a square field. So area given. What is area of the square? That is A square. So A square is equal to 3136. 3136. Now, to find out the perimeter, at first we should know what is the side, because the formula is 4 into side. 4 into side. But instead of side, what they given? They given the area. They given the area. So by using this area, we should find out the side first. We should find out the side first. Then we can substitute in the formula. We will get the answer easily. Okay. So I will write and explain to you. Example 1.22. Okay. So what is given? A square, that is area. What is area of a square? A square. A square is equal to 3136. A represent sides. A represent sides. So if you want to find out the sides alone, this square you should transport to the opposite side. This square we should transport to the opposite side. So square, if you are transporting, it will change a square root. What is this? Square root. Square, if you are transporting to the opposite side, it will change it as square root. So we should find out the square root answer of the square root 3136. 3136. So side A is equal to 3136. I will show how to find out the square root of this given number. So first you just put a square root like this. 3136. 3136. So after you written like this, you want to start grouping the numbers. Grouping numbers is nothing but two numbers you want to make it as a pair. Okay, always you want to start with the ones. So 6 is ones. So 3 and 6 is one pair. 3 and 1 is another one pair. Okay, easy, no? So whenever you are find out the square root, at first you want to do the grouping. Grouping is nothing but make two numbers as a pair. Okay, always start with the ones, in the sense the last number. Now 31 is first group, 36 is second group. 31. So here we are doing the square root, so always you want to take the square numbers, always you want to take the square numbers. So will be 30 will be the square number or not? No, because 31 you should express as the same number as a product of two numbers. Okay, same two numbers as a with the product. We cannot do that. Am I correct? Because 30 you can't get in any table. Sorry, 31. But 30 you will get. That is also 6 into 5. 6 5s are only 30. That is not a square number, because 6 is a 6 and 5 are the different numbers. Okay, so you want to take only the same numbers. Okay, so 31 will not come. You just think about the below numbers of 31. What are all the square numbers will be there? 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25. As I said before, you have to use only the square numbers. So if you are writing 5, here also write 5 5s are 25. Okay, you want to use only the square number, that's why we have chosen like this. Okay, then as usual start subtraction. 31 minus 25 is equal to 6. Okay, now take the next group, because you want to find out the square root, that's why. Okay, 6 you cannot express as a square root, no, so always take the next group. Okay, so 636. Now in the next step, before you find out the answer, what you have to do, no, you want to add these two numbers. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. Immediately put one dash here and also here. Then easily you can identify the difference between this first step and the second step. Now 1 not dash. So 1 not dash into dash is equal to 636. 636. So whatever the number you are writing here, the same number you have to write here. Okay, the same, because of the square number. Already I said, if it is a square number, you have to use only the same numbers wherever you are doing the multiplication. So it is very easy, no? What is the first number? 6. What is the given first number here? 1. How can you make this 1 as a 6? 1 6 are 6. So you just try to put 6. If you are writing 6 here, here also you want to write 6. If you are writing 6 here, here also you want to write a 6. So 6 6 are 36. 6 in answer, 3 in carrying. 6 zeros are 0. 0 plus 3 is equal to 3. 6 ones are 6. So we got the answer as 636. So what is the second step? First add 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. Put a dash because of the next group. We are taking the next group, no? So put one more dash in the quotient as well as in this side. Then whatever the numbers you are writing here, the same number you want to write here also. So we got the answer as 6. So 6 into 106 is equal to 636. So 636 minus 636 is equal to 0. So square root of 3136 is equal to 56. The quotient is the answer. Okay, so A is equal to 56. Very easy, no? Now perimeter of square. What is perimeter of square? Is equal to 4 into A. So 4 into 56 is equal to 6 4s are 24, 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 2 is 22 meter square. That's all. Very simple, no? Children, please play the video 3 or 4 times, then only you will get some idea, because this is very very new to you, but by doing more problems you will understand. Okay, it will be very easy to you.